Sit-ups are often seen as a rite of passage in the world of fitness, a foundational exercise that promises to strengthen your core and sculpt your abdomen. But before you dive headfirst into this seemingly simple movement, let's break it down into manageable steps, ensuring you're equipped with the right technique to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. First, find a comfortable space on the floor, preferably on a yoga mat or a soft surface to cushion your back. Lie down on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground, about hip-width apart. Your hands can rest behind your head, but be cautious. This isn't a tug-of-war with your neck. Instead, let your fingers lightly cradle your skull, keeping your elbows wide to maintain a neutral position. This is crucial. You want to engage your core, not strain your neck. Now, as you prepare to lift your upper body, take a moment to engage your abdominal muscles. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. This activation is key. It's not just about lifting your torso, it's about using your core to do the work. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air, and as you exhale, begin to curl your upper body off the ground. Think of it as rolling up a newspaper, smooth and controlled. Your lower back should remain pressed against the floor, and your feet should stay planted. Avoid the temptation to use momentum. This is about strength, not speed. As you rise, aim to bring your chest towards your knees, not your elbows towards your knees. This subtle shift in focus will help you engage the right muscles. Hold at the top for a brief moment, feeling the contraction in your abs, and then slowly lower yourself back down. Control is everything here. Don't just flop back to the ground. Lower yourself with intention, feeling each vertebra touch the mat one at a time. This eccentric phase is just as important as the lift. If you're just starting out, you might find it challenging to complete a full set of traditional sit-ups. That's perfectly okay. You can modify the movement by performing crunches instead. In this variation, you'll lift only your shoulder blades off the ground, which reduces strain on your back while still targeting your core. As you progress, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, resting as needed. Remember, quality over quantity is the mantra here. Listen to your body. If something feels off, don't push through the pain. With practice, you'll build strength and endurance, and soon enough, those sit-ups will feel like second nature. So, embrace the journey, focus on your form, and let each rep bring you closer to your fitness goals.